Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to fully customize and adjust the first-time service amount and recurring amounts separately. Let's get started. First, head over to your settings. Next, locate and select Industries. Click on the form that you want to modify. Now hover over Extras. This is where you can customize additional charges. Select the extra that you want to modify. Click on Options, then hit Edit to make your adjustments. Scroll down to the bottom and check the box that says Apply only to the first appointment. This ensures that your customization only affects the first booking in a recurring service. Don't forget to click Next and then the Save button at the bottom of the page. Repeat this step until you've set up all of your extras. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Drop your questions in the comments below and we'll see you in the next video.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.